of May and I'm so happy to be here. I look like this because I've decided to take my hair out of cornrows and ditch the wig for like maybe 2 or 3 days and just take care of my natural hair. So yesterday when I felt a little bit better, I did the whole wash, deep condition, and then I put my hair in like African threads. My friend Yvonne actually does a lot of that, and I'll link her YouTube and Instagram below. I did the big chop, the big shave about a year ago. I look like a boy, for real, but I decided to do it because I was done with the chemical relaxers. Things were coming out in the media about, you know, the impact that they've had on women and women's health, and I chose to, you know, not continue to impact myself in such a way. The lighting in here is so bad, it's kind of stressing me out. But it's time to take these out, and I'm really hoping it's gonna be really quick. Ooh, nice. Let's just feel if my hair's fully dry. Yeah, that feels dry. Okay, let's go. I don't want to put gel on my edges anymore because, yeah, that gel is like it's just taking my edges, and I already use glue for my wigs, wig glue, so if I can minimize, wherever I can minimize, I'll do my best to minimize. The fro is out and she looks so cute. So Mark and I are thinking of going downtown because I need to pick up something, and I suggested that we hop on a SkyTrain and go. But here's the thing, do I like go outside like this? It's cute, I love it, I'm not ashamed, but like, is it too much? Decided that we are gonna hop onto the SkyTrain, and once we're on the SkyTrain, we are gonna flip a coin, and depending on what side it is, we'll either continue and go down to Commercial to pick up my hair extensions, but if it's on the other side of the coin, then we'll go to Metrotown and just, I don't know, have a good time. There is this one restaurant that I want us to go back to just for the patio vibes. I absolutely love it. I want to check out Dynamite too, and yeah, maybe we'll watch a movie. Like, guys, it's Saturday, the world is our oyster. Have we decided like what side of the coin?
Oh yeah, okay, I'll take tails.
I think this is the part where we flip the coin.
Shouldn't we do it on the SkyTrain?
I never want to do anything on the SkyTrain, to be honest with you. Here you go. So tails is Metrotown, heads is Commercial.
Commercial.
How cute is my hair, friend? Like, I absolutely love it. It's that time of the night where I need to put it away. And I just SkyTrain back home after going to Cactus and just watching the sunset. It was so cute, so romantic. But we're home now and we're starving. Mark is gonna cook the beef and I'm gonna make some honey mustard sauce. Oh, by the way, we just posted a TikTok video and you can check it out. I have the link below and it's literally Mark's first reaction to seeing my fro. I am at that point with my hair growth where it's a fro now. I kind of want to put it away now. I've got so many wigs that needs to like see the outside. So my sister's gonna come tomorrow and she's gonna actually cornrow my hair. I got the extensions from Afro Hair Studio in Vancouver. And she's gonna come through tomorrow. She did say she feels a little bit sick, so we're gonna have to check in on that. If she feels too sick, then of course, girl, like, listen, you rest up, take care of yourself, girl, because I went through that last week. And then I'll see you like maybe the week after. But anyways, if she does come, that's awesome. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm so tired right now. I don't even know what I'm saying. So I'm going to say good night to y'all and then we can check in back tomorrow. So
don't know who I am a funny sister, Marie. I am a braider by profession. Today what we had planned to do was to actually braid her hair, but unfortunately Afani is a busy woman. Instead what we're doing is, you know, at the end of the day Afani always looks amazing, so we gotta keep up the look of it here, you know, we're trying to be like her, okay? So we decided that this week she's going to rock this beautiful Cinderella Catarina, okay, with her beautiful deep wave. So we're gonna install this in her hair. Before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some braids underneath so that this can lay flat.
you guys, Marie did my hair for me. Like, how nice is this? So we didn't have enough time to do cornrows and I kind of wanted something a little bit long, but that's okay, she'll come back another time. I'm gonna do the bald cap method.
Detached, okay, so
this is like the funniest part.
Got it. How used to do it in high school? Oh, not very hard. You go out, it's 23 degrees. Everybody gonna be out seeing. American Eels. Really?
Yeah.
Bye everyone.
not sleep with your melting bands on your lace. That is why your wigs are not lasting. Get something like this so that your wig is securely on your head and you can go to sleep nicely, just like this. Don't wear anything on your lace because when you sweat, that heat and that sweat causes the gel or the glue to react, and that's why, you know, your wigs are only lasting like about 2 to 3 days. Whoever's telling y'all to be sleeping with your melting bands on your lace is telling you wrong, and you are wasting money. The problem isn't the gel or the bonding glue that you're using, it's the technique that you're using when you go to bed. So anyways, how I like to go to bed, tie my hair up like this. Yes, it is my hair because I purchased it. So, like, tie it up like that, and then I will just put this on like this. If I like, I mean, I don't need this little thing over here. It's like so cute, love it, but like so unnecessary for right now. Just go ahead and put my cap on over like that. Anyways, that's enough chit-chatting from me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I absolutely love seeing more subscribers. Like, it just makes me so happy and gets me so excited to make another video for you guys. But for now, I'm gonna say goodnight and I'll see you next time.